welcome back. We're looking at how to buy Fantom tokens live here on Binance blog. So Binance is the best place to buy, sell, trade, or hold Fantom easily. FTM. So sign up for a Binance account will allow you to be able to buy these cryptocurrency at a very easy pace. So all you need to do, I'll be dropping a link to Binance so you can sign up and get up to $100 bonus from utilizing the link. So basically, you need to understand what Fantom is. As a Fantom is a fast, high throughput, open source smart contract and platform for digital assets and dApps. So Fantom aims to solve problems associated with the smart chain contract platform, specifically transaction speed, which developers say they have reduced to under 2 seconds. So Fantom Foundation, which oversees the Fantom product offering, was originally created in 2018 with the launch of Opera. Fantom's mainnet coming in December 2019. Now, looking at how to buy, you can buy Fantom with bank transfer, buy stablecoins listed on Binance by wiring money from your account to the providers of these coins. Then use these stablecoins to buy Fantom. These occurs through P2P section on Binance platform. Also, you can also deposit via fiat or trade. You can utilize your credit card and debit card also to buy these tokens. So reasons to buy Fantom is Fantom tokens are ERC20 token that is issued used on three major networks including ERC platform, Ethereum network, BEP2, Binance Smart Chain, Opera, FTM, Fantom's mainnet, Opera chain. The transaction made with the FTM platform are highly secure due to proof of stake system. The payments made on Fantom network are fast, secure, cheap, and it takes around 1 second and cost very minimal to process these transactions. So guys, you can buy sell FTM on the move right here on Binance. So these are some perks why you should utilize Binance trades and more. What to do after you buy Fantom? You can utilize FTM tokens in purchasing other FTM tokens on the Fantom ecosystem. You can also trade, store, or earn rewards by utilizing the options made available on Binance. So you get rewards for holding these Fantom tokens, and also you can also buy more tokens or swap these FTM tokens on the Uniswap or PancakeSwap for other tokens that require such tokens for swapping. So guys, that's basically it. It's your boy Q. If you have any questions, let us know. Loads of articles here. I'll be dropping a link in the description box so you can learn how to go about buying and these tokens, Fantom, Shiba Inu, and more. Guys, peace out. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the red subscribe button, guys, below this video. Thanks for watching. Your boy Q. Stay tuned and more love.